In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Drive shortcut on your desktop, so you can open your drive faster without typing anything in your browser every time. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use. After Google Drive loads, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the three dots menu. From the menu, move to Cast, Save, and Share, then click Create Shortcut. A small window will appear. Here you can rename the shortcut if you want. For example, you can simply name it Google Drive. Now click Create. After that, go back to your desktop, and you should see a new Google Drive shortcut icon. Now, whenever you want to open Google Drive, you don't need to open Chrome first and search for it manually. Just double-click the shortcut from your desktop, and it will take you directly to Google Drive. If you want, you can also right-click the shortcut and choose Pin to Taskbar, or Pin to Start, so you can access it even faster. And that's it. That's how you create a Google Drive shortcut on your desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.